Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to change the default file folder saving destination path in Microsoft PowerPoint. This instantly forces the system engine to target your exact preferred local directory or project folder every time you hit save, completely eliminating the hassle of clicking through deep menu layouts to find your workspace. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint. Look at the top left corner of the interface menu row and click on File. Look at the absolute bottom of the left-hand navigation sidebar panel and click directly on Options. A detailed configuration window will pop up on your screen. Click on the Save tab located near the top of the sidebar list. Move your eyes to the upper section pane layout, which is explicitly headed Save Presentations. Locate the specific setting checkbox explicitly labeled Save to Computer by Default, and place a checkmark inside it. Directly beneath it, find the Data Input row labeled Default Local File Location. Click the Browse button right next to the text field layout. Alternatively, you can copy the exact folder directory string from your Windows File Explorer tracking bar and paste it directly into that text input cell box. Drop down to the bottom right of the main options layout window and click the OK button to lock your new system saving rules into the software core. And that's it. Your custom local file path storage layout configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.